If you have an Apple Watch and you want to turn off low power mode, where you can see I have my low power mode turned on. So once you see the battery level indicating yellow, and then you have a cycle just beside the cellular icon on your Apple Watch, then it implies that you have low power mode turned on. Then if you want to turn it off, this is a video for you. This video will particularly based on how to turn off low power mode on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, there are two ways to turn off low power mode on Apple Watch. The first approach is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, if you want to scroll down, just scroll down until you get to battery, and then click on it. Now, once you selected battery, you want to scroll down the page on the battery, then you should see your low power mode turned on. Now, go ahead and then disable that. So, once you disable that, this is going to disable the low power mode on your Apple Watch. Alternatively, to disable low power mode on Apple Watch without going through the settings, all you just need to do is press the control center button beneath the two crown, and then you should see the battery indicator showing you turned on low power mode. Now, to turn off or disable the low power mode on your Apple Watch, just click on it once. You're going to see a pop that says low power mode on. Now, to turn this off, all you just need to do is click on it again. They're going to see low power mode disabled and then low power mode enabled. So that is basically what you need to do when you want to turn off low power mode on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.